Now talk about hydrolysis, especially now hydrolysis of salt containing polyvalent anion, which has more than one valency, like Na2S, Na2CO3, Na3PO4, Na2SO3. These are the salt anion having more than one valency. So let's talk about Na2S. Let's take an example of which will give 2 Na plus S negative 2. So it won't hydrolyze, it will hydrolyze. S negative 2 first react with water. It will form HS negative plus OH negative. Now HS is also a salt, right? So HS will also react with water to form H2S plus OH negative. Now you have to give the values of KH1 and KH2. How much extent is this being hydrolyzed? So we know KH1 is KW upon. Now how HS will dissociate? H plus and S minus 2. So it is actually Ka2. So we'll write it as a Ka2 and Kw upon how H2S will dissociate? H plus HS negative. So it will be Ka1. So it will be written as a Ka1. Now we have given the value of Ka2 and Ka1 also. So Ka2 is Ka1 for that is 10 raised to power minus 7 and Ka2 is 10 raised to power minus 14. So Kw is 10 raised to power minus 14 divided by K2. K2 is 10 raised to power minus 14. So KH is 1. But here Kw 10 raised to power minus 14 and Ka1 is 10 raised to power minus 7. So it comes out to be 10 raised to power minus 7. So the KH1 it will be hydrolyzed. H is negative. But H2S negative won't be hydrolyzed. Very less value of KH2. So it won't be, again it won't be hydrolyzed. It will be hydrolyzed. Now here we have given a question. Calculate pH of 0.1 molar Na2S solution. So we have seen just like we will only considering the KH1. We won't be considering the KH2. So actually KH1 we can write KH equals to CH square upon 1 minus H. And KH1 was, if we see the previous one, KH1 was 1. And it's 10 to the power minus 14. Right. So it is KH was 1 equals to C. C what 0.1 into 0.1 into H square upon 1 minus H. So we are not neglecting H because we can see that KH is very high. So it will be very highly dissociated. And we KH upon C we could write it as a KH we know and C is 0.1. So H equals to KH upon C. KH is 1 and C is 0.1. So it is 10. So H is very greater than 25 into 10 to the power minus 4. So we won't be neglecting it. We will be solving the quadratic equation. So quadratic equation comes out to be H square plus 10H minus 10 equals to 0. So H comes out to be minus B plus under root of B square 100 minus 4AC means plus 40 divided by 2. So it comes out to be 1.8 by 2. So it is 0.9. That means 90% will be hydrolyzed. So now we can calculate the concentration of OH negative. Now concentration of OH negative comes out to be CH, right? 9 into 10 to the power minus 2. The concentration is 0.1 and 9.9 is the C. 0.9 is the H. So it is 9 into 10 to the power minus 2. So POH comes out to be 2 minus log 9. That is 1.04. So pH of the solution comes out to 12.96.